Hi guys, welcome back. Good evening. In the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, April the 25th, 2023, already saw 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. Suguru. And this one has 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more, and this one will be number 6336. Before I start I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes, then I see here one quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 4 because we have a 4 over here, so the only place left for the 4 in this quadra box should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. More quadra boxes, no. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures or structures that you need to recognize. For example, let me see this one, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Alright, we have more of these kind of shapes. Let me see. No, yeah, another one. This box has the same name as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about oh wait, this box has the same name as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box, oh, the wrong one. This box has the same name as that box. Okay, this one is not correct. Okay, so this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one of them. Then the following shape, the L shape. Let me draw this here, the L shape, upside down. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle here. We have only 3 shapes, figures, structures, construction, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting for filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers these 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4, and this box is connected with that box, so we also 3 or the 4. Then okay, this box can be a 3, this box can be a 2, so the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3, so 1 digit left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be a 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. this box is connected with that box should be a 2 or a 3, but we already have a 2 there, so it can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 3, is connected with that box should be also 3, and this one is also connected with that box should be also a 3. One box left in this area for number 2. Alright. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2. Those 2 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area should be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. 2 numbers left for the in this area for numbers 2 and 1, 2 and 1. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore because we have a double 1 there. If we place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can't be 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be definitely a 3. Is connected with that box should be also 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, so 2 numbers left, 4 and 5 is connected with that box, should be also 4 and 5, but we already have 4 there, so can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5, is connected with that box, should be also a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. That box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2, 1 and a 2. These 2 boxes can be 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. These two boxes can be 2, these two boxes can be 5, so the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the 1 and the 4. 1 and 4, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, okay. I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 5. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 5. These two boxes can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These two, oh wait. This box can be a 4, we have a double 4 there. This box can be a 3, we have a double 3 there. So the 4 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and 1. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Then this box can be a 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there. So no 3 and a 4. Oh wait, we have a 3 here. Can it be a 4? So the 4 could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here. And need a 2 here. This box can be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 5. 2 and a 4. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Well, let me continue here. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. We have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. This box can be 3. This box can be a 1. Oh wait. This box can be 5. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there, so 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Well, overlook something here. Oh, we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can't be 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by itself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I've also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer Sudoku, and also for the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudokus. All kind of puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep bustling. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We will meet again tomorrow on a Wednesday.